Hi, today I'm making barbecue chicken in the crock pot. And so I thought I'd make some burgers. And I had all this frozen chicken, and I thought, well, let me do something a little different with it. So I decided to take half of a package of about 14 drumsticks and took half and placed them in a crock pot. Next, what I did after I put them in the crock pot was I seasoned them with garlic powder. And again, this is to your taste. I used black pepper and Lari seasoned salt, just to make sure that the drumsticks had some flavor. I'm also using this particular brand of barbecue sauce. You can use any brand you like. In this case, I wanted to try some sliced onions in it to see how that would come out. I hadn't made this in a long time, so I thought it would be a great idea to see what it would be like. So I put it in the crock pot for 5 hours, and it cooked down to look like this. And so although the legs still, kept their shape, I was able to take them out of the crock pot and shred them, deboning them. And it was very soft and tender. I added additional barbecue sauce because it had kind of cooked in. I think that I would have cooked them for about 4 hours this time as opposed to maybe 5. It was a little bit overcooked. It still made a delicious sandwich. I put together and created my hamburger bun fixins and made these sandwiches for lunch. I made about 4 sandwiches, which I was really surprised by, but it was a great use of the frozen chicken legs.